In the release of version 3.2 of C.R.I.S, the method of adding a client has changed significantly. There are two main client types. The first type is a client with post scheduling, where a person may, for example, work 8 to 4, Monday to Friday, at a specified post. The second type is a home watch client, where a building requires mobile patrols or monitoring a home when the person is away for vacation or work reasons. In version 3.2, when you create a client, by selecting the correct site type for that client, C.R.I.S will automatically generate a site based on the site type information that you have entered. Let's walk through the process of adding a client. From the Client tab, click on the Add Client button. In our first example, we'll be creating a post client. We'll name this client Walmart and assign a client number. Client type is commercial. Select a geolocation and street. Also add a TOS date. Next, very important, select Create Site. In this case, it's a post client, so select Standard Site. Then click Save. As soon as you hit the Save button, C.R.I.S will create both the client and the accompanying site. The site is not defined here as a mobile site because it is a standard site. Once a site is created as a post or standard site, it cannot be changed over to a mobile site. If you wish to create additional sites for the client, you can use the Add Mobile or Add Site buttons. Notice a standard site has numerous tabs for Assign Staff, Spares, Positions, and Checklist. Let's create a mobile site to compare it. We'll pretend Walmart wants to do mobile inspections on the weekends. Fill in the address information just like before. Save the mobile site. Now we see the newly created mobile site. Notice there's only one tab on the right called Checklist. We can add a task to the checklist. Mobile sites are often for inspections and checks. If you compare it to the standard site, here you can assign staff, spares, positions, etc. These are the key differences between a standard site and a mobile site. A mobile site gives you the ability to set up scheduling for inspections, whereas a standard site or a post site can have people assigned to it to work various schedules at a post. Thanks for watching this tutorial on C.R.I.S version 3.2, Adding a Client.